A PV Plus is a clever device that controls the voltage of the electricity coming into your home and your solar PV system. It's easy to install for our electricians, and fits between your inverter and your consumer unit. It's made in the UK, and comes with a 10-year manufacturer warranty. Designed to protect and extend the lifespan of your solar inverter, a PV Plus has built-in lightning and surge protection. If your inverter cuts out or stops working due to a power surge, that means no energy can be generated. No energy generation means no power to your home from your solar PV array, and you could be left paying for all your energy needs from the grid, and losing out on your FIT payments in the process. You won't be able to generate energy again until the inverter is reset, or worst case, damaged from the overvoltage, and will need to spend up to £1,500 to get it repaired or replaced. The good news is, that can all be controlled with a PV Plus. Save power, save money, save the planet, with ESE Group.